Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to add Skrill as a payment method to Shopify store. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Shopify and log in using your user credentials. After logging in, you will see this Shopify's dashboard where you'll have to click on settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now, you'll be navigated to your general page under settings and you'll have a list of tools at the left corner of your screen. Here, search for a method saying payments. Now, after you click on payments, it is going to take you to this payments page where you can add various kind of payment methods and customize your payments. Now, when you click on choose a provider at the top and search for Skrill, you won't see any option saying Skrill. There will be no providers for skills in third-party payment providers. So what you'll have to do is simply navigate to payments page and scroll down, then click on add payment method plus icon under people. So under people option, click on add payment method and choose search by provider option and click on search, then type in Skrill. Now click on Skrill official, select Skrill official again and it is going to take you to this page. We'll have to click on install button for this provider. So the Skrill payment gateways allows you to accept payments via credit and debit cards or 20 local payment methods and more than 80 banks globally. Simply click on install button at the top right side of the screen and this will install Skrill official on Shopify. Then you can easily add your credentials for Skrill and add it to your Shopify. Now click on search by payment method and search for Skrill. Now click on Skrill digital wallet, select Skrill official and this is going to take you to install page. We'll have to simply click on install button and install Skrill official on your Shopify store. So that is the simple way you can add Skrill as a payment method to Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.